our founder, Brother McNally, he has a very great statement saying that artists are not only just educators, they're contributors to the society. And I think his faith and his sincerity actually was a foundation for McNally School of Fine Art. So I'm very proud to bring the legacy further because of Singapore pride. And as an artist myself, I think it's a sole responsibility of an educator to ensure that students take social responsibility as part of the learning curve, as part of being an artist. Social responsibility is very important now because as an artist, they understand the consequences of their making. Art has evolved over the years. In today's context, art is not just painting a beautiful green apple. It's about transforming it. It's about giving new meaning to the green apple. That's the difference between any art school in Singapore. We challenge our students. We teach them to be very critical in their making and also in the process. I see artists as a creative individual, not controlled by, not defined by the discipline. What I'm saying that as an artist, I also can do sculpture, paint, perform, do video art. In our school, we focus on teaching them relevant skills which they can apply upon graduation. We focus on what is relevant and contemporary. Most of my students graduate and now in the international exhibitions. You can see them all over the world because they're all trained to be relevant, trained to understand about what contemporary art practice is all about. That's why I'm always so proud of my alumni, our graduating students, because they define themselves very well. Another thing about McNally School of Fine Art, which I'm very passionate about, is being part of Southeast Asia. Be part of this regional understanding, be part of this regional growth that we call it the Asian art or Asian aesthetics. We don't have to think that Picasso is the only one out there. There are a lot of Asian artists who they can reference to. And it's very important for the student to understand where they're coming from and where they're going.